quick garden tour from here to there. Let's see my backyard. Still a lot of mess. You can't really clean up the whole things too much. It was hard. But we were able to manage to plant some vegetables and fruit trees. And they're growing. We've already used them and eat them. See, this is the Japanese mustard, elderberry, garlic chives, my Asian greens, and some potato over there growing. Banani, dwarf orange, dwarf calamansi, calamundin, lemon, and then of course my green onion, my cabbage that are already flowering, but that's okay. I can collect the seeds for next spring, next winter or fall. My lettuce. This is a pretty lettuce. Lots of green onion. And this one really needs to be watered twice a day. Look at that. It's not taking the heat. But that's okay. There's roots underneath. It's just gonna come back up. Yep, there that. And I planted some other things here, I think, also. Strawberry, basil, purple basil. And I planted some, what did I plant over here? Yellow green beans. Somewhere around here. So these are carrots. I'm just letting it grow and just collect it later, maybe to use it for fertilizer for potassium and also for my compost. Same for those, whatever. Lemon. Of course, my Asian greens. The bees love the flowers. And then I can't wait for this to start coming up. I'm waiting for my persimmon to come out. Because this is a persimmon tree. There. And, okay. Lettuce. More celery. Eggplant. More lettuce. Cucumber over there. Hopefully they can make it, but if not, we'll try again. That's artichoke. More celery and lettuce over there. These are arugula that are flowering. Of course, my cilantro everywhere. They're pretty, so I let them be. Just look at that. Look how pretty the flower is. OMG. And the bees just love this. And of course, that potatoes are over there. And then this is also my favorite lettuce that I let flower. So I can collect the seeds. More curly lettuce. And cilantro. Baby cilantro. And then those are asparagus, nasturtium, tato, my new compost spot, tomato. That's pretty much it for that. That's gonna go to compost. Tomato, and I planted some pechay in here too. Then I have some squash growing. Squash. I have to do it like this. And then squash, because they get really big. Aloe vera. Beans. So far so good. They're alive and kicking. And then a lot of tomato seedlings. There. It's covered like this, so my birds, those blackbirds, crow birds, it's not gonna step on them. Peas, excuse me, green peas, and I planted some okra seeds here. And then this is my apple tree. Potato over there in that bin, and some scattered lettuce over here. I just let it grow. That's gonna go to compost. And then this is garlic. That's a flower over there. And then sage, garlic chives. Of course, my asparagus. This is the matured one. And then some cabbage over there. I'm just letting it grow and go from there and let it flower for the bees. And then my clementine. They're beautiful flower. So pretty. So pretty. And when they become fruit, even prettier. OMG. See? Oh my god. And then my grapes. Hopefully they'll do well. Okay. And lots of celery here. That's carrots. And then the nasturtium that I replanted here. Garlic chives. Celery there. And the flower that I don't want to take out yet for the bees. And then planted some seeds over here. Flower seeds. So we'll see. Of course. This is my favorite right now. Oh my god. My husband. Overflowing. OMG. So yeah, my favorite right now. The only color that's different in my backyard. Oh my gee, I need to buy more flowers that has different colors. It's pretty. And look at that. Yellow, purple. Pretty. And then, of course, more celery. Ha! Cabbage. And then I'm nurturing this calamansi, and hopefully it's gonna grow. That's also from seeds. Some more stuff. Scattered carrots, tomato, and then potato and raspberry in that garden bag. That's mandarin orange. And this is pomegranate. But we don't even eat the fruits. It's just a volunteer, so I let it grow, and it's pretty. Especially when it flowers. That's bay leaf. More celery over here. And I planted some okra seeds there. And those garden bag, there's loofah seeds and ginger. And here we have fig. That's already growing. Yeah. And of course my other stuff. Spinach. Peppers. These are chilies, the hot peppers. And I guess something came up. Potato. Potato. Because I just mix my old soils and new soils together. And then more seedlings there. I really don't know what that is. And then more garlic chives there. My elderberry. This is Japanese mustard and my Asian green. The banani. Yep, I think I've already shown that. Orange, calamantin, lemon, persimmon. These stuff. Yeah. And that's it. That's it, that's it, that's it. And I need to water the seedlings. Yeah, see, I suck at making seedlings. That. My husband already watered it too. And he forgot about this. I'll just water this one. And then, and he's eating. He's eating something. Lettuce. Pretty curly lettuce. Still have them. Cabbage. These are saluyot seeds. So just whatever. I'm hoping it'll actually grow. More garlic chives and my strawberries. Yeah. Okay, that's it. That's it. For my garden tour. Yo. And this is my backyard. Thanks for watching, everybody. Probably post this to YouTube. It's been a while. This is March 24, 2021.